Okay, sorry, I had to shut the camera off for a second. Anyway, on the side here, there's an oil hole, and then next to that is this set screw, and I had to use the impact driver to get it out because it would not come out with the screwdriver. But I put some oil on it, it came out, and then now there's a collar. I'll show you guys. There's this collar in here that you got to keep turning to the left to unscrew it. So alright, get you guys set back up. Let's see, I had a bunch of oil in there. Oil that up. Got the punch. It is moving, it's turning. No, that's too big. There she comes. There she was. There it goes. There she goes. Will it turn on its own? There it goes. It's like it starts and then it stops. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh. Alright. So they come like that to split. So that one's out. Here's your, it's like the collar in here. Here's your lead screw. The handle's a little bit bent. We might be able to adjust that when it comes down to it. So alright, 1 second, let me get a rag. Okay. Let me see. Move you guys over here. Okay. So everything looks good. Okay, and I guess the next thing, I haven't encountered this before. Like I said, this is different with this lead screw up top, but there's it looks like the nut is a sleeve, and then I guess this bolt holds the sleeve in. It looks like there's some sort of a wedge here. So anyway, we're gonna play with this, and anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you.